In Wisconsin, we know how to make the most out of every season. And in Plover, you'll find life's best moments are rooted in nature, family, and fun. From farm fresh bites to sun-soaked sandbars, you'll find Plover has something for everyone. Join us as we tour the flavors, adventures, and traditions that makes Plover the perfect place to explore.
Hello and welcome to Discover Wisconsin.
Tucked along the scenic Wisconsin River, Plover blends small-town charm with surprising experiences. Once a bustling stop on the Wisconsin Central Railroad, today Plover has grown into a destination full of surprises. Known for its scenic trails, thriving local businesses, and deep agricultural roots, Plover offers a perfect blend of relaxation and recreation. Wisconsin might be the dairy state, but in Plover, there's a lot more cooking up, and we're headed to Feltz Farm to explore the plenty of Plover.
What's the history of this farm and how did it develop?
Farm's been here over 110 years now. It started in 1913. For almost 90 years of that, we had 40, 50 cows, pigs, chickens, and then we've kind of led to this. So this was kind of my way to get back into the family business. More of a agritourism destination. Behind us there, we got cornfields, alfalfa fields. We grow all of our own feed for the cows. We milk those cows, pump it right into a vat. We pasteurize it and make fresh cheese curds. So it goes right from cow right to cheese right into your mouth. So we do everything right on site, which I think is pretty unique, pretty cool. After you got to see some of the animals, you can come out and play on the fun farm. We've got about 25 different activities for kids. So anything from our giant jumping pillow, football, basketball, baseball games for kids. And then in the fall, you can go through, we've got 3 different corn mazes. So we've added the pumpkin patch, added a haunted maze. So fall's really become a big time for us. People can come out, get to go right up to the barn. They're petting the calves, petting the cows. It's just nice to see families having fun, enjoying themselves.
Well, it's a great summer playground. You have the corn maze in the fall, but you have the store open and a lot of local vendors. There's candles in there. There's all kinds of things for gifts and then obviously a lot of things to eat and drink. Well, I'd love to try those curds, fresh and deep fried. Can we?
Absolutely, let's go try them out.
Plover is one of the largest carrot and potato producers in the nation, but its true impact is measured in community, and there's no place that's more evident than at the Food and Farm Exploration Center.
So it's just buzzing with activity down here tonight. What's happening right now?
Yeah, so this is our first You Pick community events of the summer. Come on in, we'll give you bags, harvest as many potatoes and peas as you would like. Our mission is to reconnect people with where their food comes from and those that grow it. People don't go back to the family farm like they used to, and so we want to be that community gathering place to give people a chance to dig in the dirt and pull a potato right out of the ground. So it's really to start piquing young people's interest and get them asking questions about how they can be involved.
So what can families do when they come visit here?
Spend an entire day here. Start by grabbing a delicious lunch in our Colorful Plate Café. You can go through the exhibits, 60 of them. You can learn about optical sorting and a potato sorter. You can go in a cold storage facility, and we have a kitchen lab downstairs. And then you can come out here and enjoy the beautiful grounds. You can just really spend some quality time with your family. You can do an adult cooking class, make your own cocktail, pierogies, tamales, Spud of the Month Club. We have summer camps your kids can sign up for. We have special drop-ins.
Right over your shoulder, I'm looking at the world's largest potato masher.
Yeah.
What's up with that?
Can you imagine getting that stuck in the kitchen drawer? That would be a really
an impressive drawer.
It'd be an impressive drawer.
But I've heard that's actually been used to mash potatoes.
It has, yeah. Standing at just under 39 feet tall, it is the world's largest potato masher. It's really a sight to see.
Alexander, thanks so much for your time. And
thank you.
I'm going to keep exploring in here.
Awesome. Have fun.
Thanks.
Next stop, we're headed to the farm at Rooted in Red, where family traditions bloom into unforgettable flavors and experiences.
So I'm here with Rochelle. We're at Rooted in Red, just outside of Plover, exploring the space because this is a beautiful event space and a cranberry bog. So how did Rooted in Red get started and how did it turn into such a multifaceted business?
Yeah, so I'm Generation 5 cranberry grower. My great-great-grandfather, Charles Dempsey, grew his first cranberry in 1900 in central Wisconsin. So this is a 1938 warehouse. We processed cranberries here until the 1970s. Now we host weddings and we host community events. We have band, we have food truck nights, farm dinner experiences here. We have had baby showers, a lot of different opportunities for folks to come and experience community and experience the cranberry farm.
Well, it's not harvest season right now, but I'd love a tour.
I would love to introduce you to my mom, Jamie. She is the tour queen, and let's go talk to her right now.
Awesome.
I give tours all year. This time of year, mid-June to just past the 4th of July, we're in full blossom.
And when is the peak season, when this is just a brilliant sea of red?
Usually October. Some vine varieties we can actually harvest late September, but by that first, second week in October, we're running with a full crew and you can see all of it. So we have about 80 acres of actual cranberry vines and we have about 26 beds.
So all these beds get flooded with water from the Wisconsin River, cranberries rise. I mean, it's quite an experience for people.
Really, I have a passion for sharing about cranberries, about the industry, about multi-generation farming. We have people come from every state, and I really enjoy that.
From farms and fields to flowing waters, what's better than a Wisconsin sandbar party? How about one with a double-decker pontoon, serving up food and drinks on the water? How did this come about?
First of all, Dad and I built the entire boat, which was great because I learned a lot. But day-to-day operations on the weekends, Mom and Dad are in the kitchen frying up cheese curds, fresh cut fries. I'm out here, shaking up drinks. For as long as I can remember, people have been going to these sandbars, hanging out, relaxing, having a couple drinks on the weekend. And it just felt right, us going to a sandbar, to name it the Sandbar. On the weekends, it gets pretty packed out here. It's a really great time. It's just where people gather, hang out. We travel around, we go down to Florida quite a bit. I've never seen anything like this. That's kind of what inspired this whole thing. It's that tropical, laid-back atmosphere.
This place does make you want to have a little rum and a slice of key lime pie.
We do have key lime pie up at the lake house that we fly in from Key West, from Kermit's. It's a little pie shop down on Elizabeth Street. Best key lime pie. The Lake House Beach Club is an extension of the Sandbar on land. The only difference up there is we're 21 plus. And we wanted to differentiate ourselves and create an environment where adults can come and just relax, have a cocktail, swim, float, listen to live music, and just feel like they're down in Mexico.
So when are you open and how can people find you?
The Sandbar is open Memorial to Labor, 11 a.m. till sundown, or maybe a little later if the party stays, we'll hang out. So the only way to get to the Sandbar is by boat. I always tell people that don't have a boat, just go get a kayak. You can get a kayak pretty much anywhere.
Hey Zach, thanks for having me on here. Great talking with you.
Yes sir, thank you for coming.
Can you use that hand to pour me a beer next?
You got it.
So now we're on the banks of the Wisconsin River in Galecki Park. I'm here with Ross. Good to see you, Ross.
Good to see you. Thanks.
And the Plover area is so great for paddling, fishing, all kinds of great water recreation. Why do you think this is such a wonderful place to come for that?
The Wisconsin River is just a glorious place to be on, whether you're on a motorboat or just, kayaks, canoes. Pack a lunch and some adult beverages and you just make a day out of it.
So if somebody wants to get out on the water here in Plover, where can they go around here to rent one and get in on it?
Wisco River Rentals, where you can rent pontoons, kayaks. That would give you an opportunity. We're surrounded by water, right? So I can go 2 miles east and I've got 3 lakes I can put on. I can go 2 miles north and I've got a big lake. I've got Lake Dubay. There's just so many places that I can put in. So it's a paddler's paradise. I can't think of a better place than Plover to come and enjoy kayaking.
For my next stop, I'm headed to Fall Line Outfitters to try my hand at fly fishing.
Look at that.
Nice.
Okay, this is it. Oh, lift.
So this is Craig from Fall Line Outfitters, and we're here in the Tomorrow River. Craig, this is the first interview I've ever done standing in a river. How would you explain fly fishing versus, typical fishing out of a boat?
The bonus is catching the fish. Being submersed into a stream, the moving water, putting the waders on, actually being in the stream like we are right now. I mean, that's just why I think folks love fly fishing. I know that I do, because it's just a different thing than sitting in a boat.
So you're a guide and you bring people out fishing, but you do a lot at Fall Line Outfitters. What all do you do?
Yeah, so we're really big in the educational piece towards the fly fishing. So we teach people how to tie their own flies to take them out on the river like this. We teach people from the beginning to the end of how to become a fly angler, from the casting to what type of fly selection that you're going to need. We also do outfitting with top clothing, camping gear, hiking gear. So we're kind of what I call a hybrid fly fishing shop. There's a plethora of different trout streams here in central Wisconsin that, quite frankly, people don't know about until now. Plover is generally a great base camp for people to come and stay. All the trout waters are easily within 10 to 20 minutes from the Plover area. Plethora of different streams as well, different trout species, and we also have a really good smallmouth bass fishery here as well. And we're more than happy to show people, the wonderful fly fishing opportunities here in central Wisconsin.
So we talked about fly fishing. We're standing in the water already. I'm ready to try this. Can you show me the ropes?
I think we're ready to do this. Let's try it. Yes, better. A little longer pause. Excellent.
A little longer pause.
That was great. It's getting better.
Does that count as a catch?
There you go. Good. There it is. Perfect spot.
Oh! Right, you gonna get a picture?
Perfect. That was a good cast too.
So I'm here at Hostel Shop with Brianna, and first of all, tell me about this place, because it's a lot more than a bike shop.
We have been in business over 50 years now. This is one of many locations that we've had in central Wisconsin here. We cater to not just traditional bicyclists, but we also specialized in recumbent cycling and adaptive cycling. So we want to be a place to welcome riders of all ages and all abilities to explore the freedom and fun that cycling can offer.
The system of trails around here is really impressive because you have mountain bike trails and you have road trails. The Tomorrow River Trail is a great example. Tell me about that from here.
Yeah, there's a lot of riding opportunities for everybody here. There's the Green Circle Trail, which is definitely a lot of family-friendly stuff. Commuters in our area use it a lot. The Tomorrow River Trail is a nice adventure, kind of rural trail system, limestone gravel. We've got something for mountain bikers out here too, with Standing Rock County Park. Amazing trails out there. And then for people looking for more of a road riding experience, we have some really beautiful county roads and stuff in the area as well. So yeah, when people are moving to a community, they want to look around and see what kind of outdoor activities there are and recreation for their families. So they have put increased effort in kind of improving and increasing the recreational opportunities like cycling.
Well, now this is a good end of the trail.
Yes, it is.
Excellent. Well, Brianna, thanks a lot for showing me the whole Tomorrow River Trail segment. That was great.
Absolutely. Hope you had a lot of fun.
Got time for a beer?
I don't. I got to get back to work. So.
All right, I'll have one.
Awesome. Have one for me.
I will.
Okay.
Thanks.
See you later.
You know, after a bike ride on the Tomorrow River Bike Trail, it's great to end at Oso Brewing Company, where they have over 30 beers on tap, great pizza, and they've been hyping up the Italian beef sandwich, so I had to get both. Great way to finish the day. Cheers.
Now it's time to turn it up a notch, and I'm heading to Standing Rocks Park to hit the trail.
And what makes the trails here at Standing Rocks for mountain biking a world-class destination?
Variety of everything. We have machine built, there's smooth, there's tall, 4 or 5 foot tall berms, there's jumps, and there's also the old school trails. And we have something for everybody.
How many miles of trails are packed into this area?
23 into just over 400 acres. We maintain all the trails out here.
And you have a variety of other events and activities you can do here at Standing Rocks too, along with the mountain bike.
Yes, we've got disc golf, we've got the dog park, we've got cross-country skiing, we've got downhill skiing, we've got fat bike on the mountain bike trails in the winter. People walk, people pick berries, there's all sorts of things. We have 3 different levels of trails. We have the green, which is the easiest, blue, which is more difficult, and then black, which is most difficult. On the green trail, the Green Goblin, we just implemented skill stations with little raised balance beams. You can have rollers that look like centipedes. You can have little rock gardens. You can have drops. We're trying to teach riders how to progress gradually instead of all of a sudden being thrown off a cliff.
And it feels like we're hours away from everything, but we're just minutes outside of Plover.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
What is it about biking that keeps you so engaged?
It's something that you can do for a lifetime. My goal is to get people out on bikes. It's a healthy activity to do, and it's a great one for your body. It's easy on your body, as long as you don't crash.
These are great trails, Scott. Thanks for showing them to me.
No problem.
I'd love to try disc golfing here next.
That would be fun.
From the trails to the track, we're switching gears and heading to the Golden Sands Raceway.
What motivated you to purchase this track and run it?
So I raced here in a super late model capacity for many years, and it really saddened me to see such a beautiful venue be dormant. And the ability to bring short track racing to Wisconsinites was one tradition that we really wanted to keep going.
2 laps to go as they come around the finish line.
We race everything from super late models, pro late models, super stocks, pure stocks, all the way down to bandoleros, where an 8 to 14-year-old can race. We race 6-cylinders, 4-cylinder stocks and mods. For our Eve of Devastation events, we do spectator racing. And then we also host autocross events throughout the summer where you can bring your street car and race against the clock, edge of your seat action. It's pretty awesome.
Our biggest goal is, when all the racers come here, we treat everybody the same, everybody is equal. And when the fans come here, we just want them to have a good time.
And that's basically what racing is in Wisconsin, is one big family. It's a great night, 3 hours of family fun. You can come bring the kids, give the kids some food, and watch some great racing.
Now for a change of pace, we're hitting the courts to check out the fast-growing, popular sport of pickleball. So I'm here with Lynn here at Lake Pacwa Park in Plover. Beautiful park. It's really expanded over the last few years.
It really has. They've added the splash pad. They've cleaned up the lake so you can go swimming and kayaking. They've added the music amphitheater, other facilities like shelters and kitchens, and then, of course, the pickleball facility. We've done state-of-the-art as far as fencing goes, lighting goes. We have shade structures. We put in the pickleball party shed, and when we host tournaments, we can do concessions and registration. So we're really setting us up for some serious pickleball.
Let's try it.
Let's do it.
Let's get it on.
Oh, good job on your first
Good game. Sorry to chase my ball so far. Yeah. Thanks.
Excellent.
After a fun-filled day, it's time to grab a bite to eat and take a stroll over to the Colorful Plate Café. What inspired you to develop the menu?
Really just trying to focus on local, be able to use stuff from the garden, the fields, greenhouse eventually.
How do you keep things fresh, local, and seasonal?
Obviously, what's in season, what's around. Main Grain Bakery for all of our bread, Ruby Coffee for all of our coffee, espresso, espresso martini, cocktails, Newski's bacon. We go through a lot of bacon and it makes the whole building smell good. So, fresh veggies from the other side of the building, just outside in the fields.
Yeah, you can learn a lot about food around here just from growing in the garden, everything here on display at the center, and then going to the cafe.
Yep, it makes it kind of full circle. You can see where it came from and how it is, and then you can go taste it yourself.
What's your most popular dish and what brings people back?
Our most popular menu item is our Turkey Club Panini. So that has turkey, Newski's bacon, avocado, tomatoes, cheese, and garlic aioli.
We come here all the time. I love the atmosphere. The big windows here are beautiful.
Yeah, it's just welcoming. It really is an awesome addition to the Plover area.
From biking rugged trails and paddling scenic rivers to racing under the lights and digging into farm fresh flavor, Plover is packed with adventure, with a community that celebrates the outdoors and a landscape built for action. This is where active lifestyles thrive, and every season brings a new reason to get out and explore Plover.